What kind of strange fish is that? Swimming freely underwater. Walk on the ground. Climb up the tree. Is that true? Unlimited. The animal world around us. Welcome to Unlimited Channel, Animal World Around Us. Today, we will find out what kind of strange fish is this. Mudskipper is a species of fish in the goby family, most common along mudflats in estuaries, downstream rivers and the sea, not submerged in more than 2 meters of water. Distribution in the tropics stretches from Seychelles, India, Bangladesh, to Australia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand and Vietnam. The sun is up. Let's go get some food, guys. I'm hungry. Why are you so hungry today? This fish lives in caves and hollows in swamps. When the tide is low, especially on sunny days, they often come out of their burrows to look for food. Right from its appearance, Mudskipper is different from other common fish because its eyes bulge out like someone has 2 marbles attached to the top of its head. Have you seen it? His eyes bulge so he can see the cameraman more clearly. Mudskippers hide in deep flooded caves, swim in rivers, move on mud, run and jump, and search for food on land. Their bodies can store water in their gills for respiration when on land, exchanging gases through their skin like frogs. It has 2 front fins that act as a pair of hands. The pectoral fins support their body, combined with the 2 front fins to move flexibly on land. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat, guys. It's so delicious. Why can't my stomach feel full yet? The main food of this fish is shrimp, small creatures and smaller fish. They work hard to find food until their stomachs are full. With 2 front fins pushing their bodies to help them easily glide across the mud surface, their large round eyes, located on the top of their heads, constantly observe their surroundings to avoid enemies. In addition to moving with its front fins, the mudskipper can also curl its tail and then bounce up like a spring, sending its body flying high and forward. How do you see me dancing? Beautiful? It's not okay. Must dance like this. Let's dance together and see who can dance better. There. Dancing like that is not beautiful? So we don't like each other anymore. Fighting again. Come on, let's fight? What are you afraid of? Just fight. Why are you afraid? How great. Turns out it's normal. Let's see whose mouth is bigger, right? My mouth is tired. They were so busy fighting that their skin was completely dry. Let's roll around for a little smooth skin. Oh my gosh, my girlfriend called back. I was so busy fighting that I forgot about the main task of digging a cave. If we don't finish, if a bird flies by, where can we hide? Mudskippers often dig burrows in dense places under forest canopy or tree stumps. Their burrows can be up to 2 meters deep and have many nooks and crannies, making it easy to escape when attacked by enemies. During the breeding season, they mate with each other. The female lays eggs in the cave and then moves away. The male is responsible for taking care of the eggs and young. The male mudskipper is such a great single dad. Today, climate change combined with human activities causes the habitat of mudskippers to shrink. Let's join hands to protect the environment and protect animals so that the Earth will always be our green planet. Thank you for watching the video. See you again in my next parts. Please like, share and follow my channel.
Ah, oh, ah, oh, ah.